1982 Suzuki 1100 GS. Look at this thing. It's so beautiful. This is a good friend of mine. Got a custom paint job. Old and new at the same time. Really beautiful motorcycle. That's his third bike. Got custom paint, custom seat. What size motor?
1100 board to a 1260.
1100 board to a 1260. That's awesome. Who did the paint?
I bought it like this.
Oh, did you? Start it up for me.
This is a guy in Indianapolis.
Okay. It's clean, man. I like this thing. Got a fat tire in the back. It's custom. Let you guys hear it. See, it starts right up. It's built right.